Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to create an alliance in Doomsday Last Survivors step by step. If you're looking to team up with other survivors and dominate in Doomsday Last Survivors, then creating an alliance is a key to teamwork, resources, and stronger defense. First things first, launch open the Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device, and once you're inside the main menu screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Alliance. Now in the Alliance menu, click on Create. In order to create your own alliance, you'll need to spend 200 diamonds. So if you've got the 200 diamonds, you can proceed to create your alliance. Start off by selecting a banner or your flag by tapping the select button on the left corner. Now, choose your background of your flag, designs, and once you're happy with the result, click on OK. Soon after you do that, you have created your flag for your alliance. Now, head over to the right corner and type in a nickname for your alliance and click on OK. Now type in your alliance name on the next field. After you do that, go to the alliance declaration and enter the description for your alliance. You can add a brief description so player knows what your alliance is about. Then you can go ahead and get to the alliance requirement option. Select the requirement for joining into your alliance, whether you'd like everyone to join in or you want someone to apply to your alliance to join in. After making the selection, go to the language drop-down and select the languages available in the alliance. Now, choose the alliance requirements, for example, the level that is required to join into your alliance. And then you can also go ahead and enter the amount of minimum might required for joining. Finally, click on the Create button at the bottom of the screen, and remember, you will be spending 200 diamonds for creating an alliance. So that way you can easily create an alliance in Doomsday Last Survivors and start building a powerful team, stay active, recruit strong members, and dominate the post-apocalyptic world together. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.